The thickness readings on the lower fuselage are consistent with the CAD model.
Confirmed. Borescope view of section P2311 shows no anomalies.
Bring it down another 10 millimeters, easy now.
Alignment confirmed. Attaching the fuel lines.
Pump secured and connections checked.
Sealing is good, ready for pressure test.
Starting engine 1. Clear.
Roger, engine 1 stabilizing at idle.
If we adjust the sweep on the main wing structure, we can reduce drag at cruising altitude.
But that impacts the landing gear retraction.
The turbulence over the tail section is significant at this speed.
We are seeing high pressure fluctuations on sensors 40 through 45.
The profile here seems slightly off the template line.
Let me check the laser alignment again. We need absolute precision on this curve.
We can optimize the club seating arrangement slightly more.
Let's check the distance again with a new console design.
Hold it there. Coming down slowly now.
We have alignment. Laser grid is green.
Inserting the pins.
Torque achieved, 1,000 foot-pounds exactly.
Confirmed. The load paths are registering green across the assembly.
Clear on the left side.
Copy that. Moving starboard slowly.
Alignment looks good. Pin 1 engaged.
The thickness readings on the lower fuselage are consistent with the CAD model.
Confirmed. Borescope view of section P2311 shows no anomalies.
Bring it down another 10 millimeters, easy now.
Alignment confirmed. Attaching the fuel lines.
Pump secured and connections checked.
Sealing is good, ready for pressure test.
Retraction sequence initiated.
Downlock mechanism engaged. Indicators showing green. Test sequence initiated. Steering left. Acknowledged.
full right sweep.
System checks passed.
Ensure the torque is exactly 75 foot-pounds on the bleeded air coupling.
Got it, 75.
The installation of the P-38 passenger oxygen system, focusing on the generator bottles and the deployment handles.
Integration testing on the hydraulics is complete.
Good. The load test data is stable. Let's move to the avionics checkout.
Starting engine 1. Clear.
Roger, engine 1 stabilizing at idle.
Tower, this is experimental P-58 Heavy, commencing taxi checks.
How do you hear?
Airspeed stabilizing, initiating recovery. Roger that. Peak Alpha and buffet onset recorded.
Congratulations on your new aircraft. Welcome to the family.
It is absolutely stunning. Thank you.